In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert some of your most brilliant Facebook posts into lead magnets you can use to start attracting more leads to check out your business presentation. And I'm going to show you how to use AI technology to not only come up with your lead magnet, but to also come up with the Facebook post that will help give your lead magnet away. And if you stay to the very end of the video, I'm going to show you how to get your hands on an incredible resource called the Lead Machine Masterclass that is going to teach you how to design, build, write the copy for, and deliver your lead magnet in a custom landing page. So if you want to take your brand and your business to the next level, then keep on watching. This is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingandDesign.com, and after sponsoring 693 people online using video marketing, my website, and simple funnels, I'm here to teach you how to attract like-minded people who already want what you have to offer without feeling like a pushy salesperson. So if that sounds like something you want to do, then let's get into the content. So if you are using social media to attract leads to check out your business opportunity, then you know that content is one of the most important things that we need to be putting out there in order to start building an audience, engaging our audience, and then ultimately selling to our audience. But did you know that some of you are actually saying some amazingly brilliant things on Facebook that can totally be used as a lead magnet? Let me just give you an example of what I mean. So here is my friend Jairus, and I just love her. She is a doll. She's just bubbly and full of personality. And I'm sitting at the auto repair shop going down the Facebook feed, and I see that Jairus posted 5 tips that the credit reporting agencies don't want you to know. And that immediately caught my attention. So I went on to read the rest of her posts, and I thought, oh my gosh, this is a great opportunity to convert this into a lead magnet so that you can actually generate leads from this post. So I went on to private message her and I said, Jairus, girl, you need to turn that into a lead magnet. And she said, well, exactly how would I do that? So I'm going to show you. So first things first, let's take a closer look at Jairus's Facebook post. She did so many things right in this post. It's absolutely brilliant. So what she did was she did 5 tips called 5 Things the Credit Business Don't Want You to Know. So the cool thing is she gave you 5 really good tips that kind of like are shockers, right? That you would never know. They give you tons of value. And if you happen to be in the market for increasing your credit score, this is something that is definitely going to be of value to you. And if you're in some sort of credit repair business opportunity, this is a great way to get people to want to know more and actually join your list. So even though this is great, it's a great Facebook post, I would plus it and actually convert this into a lead magnet that people actually want to give you their name and email in order to download. So let's go ahead and do a little bit of magic here with our AI copywriting software to see how we could literally plus this so that we can actually start converting these people who are already interested. So many people here are interested in leaving comments, but let's convert this into something that they actually want to download, consume, and jump on your list for, because then what you can do is you can get those very same people who downloaded your report and get more of them to check out your business presentation, which is ultimately what we want them to do. Now, if you go to risewithbarbie.com/Jasper, you can check out Jasper, which is the copywriting AI software that I use to do all my copywriting for my sales pages, for my website, for my funnels, and all that good stuff. And you can get 10,000 free credits when you use my link, which I will have for you right below in the description box, right below this video. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to templates and you want to go to the PAS framework. So the PAS framework is problem, agitate, solution. So I'm going to go ahead into my history because I already started to work on this to give you the example. So what I would do is put the title of that Facebook post, 5 Things the Credit Business Don't Want You to Know, and you put it in the PAS framework as the company or product name. Because what we want to do is we want to create a lead magnet, and we're going to treat that lead magnet as if it was a product, right? So even though the PAS framework here inside of Jasper asks you to talk more about your product, in this case, the lead magnet is our product. That's what we want people to opt in for and get them started down our sales process. So the company product name is going to be the name of the lead magnet report, which is 5 Things the Credit Business Don't Want You to Know. Now, what is a product description? Well, what is going to happen when you download that lead magnet? What is it that you want them to do with this product? What is it that you want them to do with the lead magnet once they get on your landing page? Well, you want them to download it. This is the product that they're going to be receiving. So we put in download the free report and discover, again, 5 tips that will help you raise your credit score so you can get the best deal when purchasing your next car or home. Because basically that is what people that want to raise their credit scores are probably trying to do. The whole purpose of the lead magnet is to help these people solve their problems and position you as a person that can actually help them do that. So what is the problem that we're trying to solve by increasing our credit scores? Well, we want to improve the ability to purchase a major purchase like a car or a home. So I would definitely include that inside of the product description. So now what we have is download my free report and discover the 5 tips that will help you raise your credit score so you can get the best deal when purchasing your next car or home. So that is what we want to put into the product description so that Jasper can create the content that is going to turn into our Facebook post to get people to download our lead magnet report. So here's going to be the framework for your Facebook post. Problem, agitate, solution. It's no secret that your credit score is a big deal when you're trying to buy a car or a house. Agitate. But did you know that the credit business doesn't want you to know about some of the tricks they use to keep your score down? Well, you've got my attention now, don't you? So the solution, that's why I put together this free report, 5 things the credit business don't want you to know. And in it, I reveal 5 tips that will help you raise your credit score and get the best deal on your next car or home purchase. Now, what does this do? First of all, you're not giving away the farm on your Facebook post. You're getting their interest level up. You are feeling for who in your friends list actually needs this information, and you're positioning it so that now you can send them to the actual lead magnet so they can go and enter your list. Because we want to do everything that we can to take people off of social media and into our sales process. And our sales process is going to be at either our funnel or inside of our website. So we want to take them out of social media and get them into our sales process. So by posting this on Facebook, you are arousing curiosity. You are speaking to the people that may be in that process right now of buying a car or a home and need to raise their credit score in order to do that. And you're going to give them the solution inside of your lead magnet to show them exactly how to deal with these tricky companies that are trying to keep these secrets to keep your score down. So of course, someone who is in that process and is curious is going to want to learn more, and they're going to happily give you their name and email. And once you have their name and email, that is it. Now you can start marketing to them now and in the future. So remember, you want to get people out of social media and into your platforms. That is your funnel and your website. So if you're getting value from this video so far, I would truly appreciate if you would like this video and make sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you know a friend who can benefit from this information, please make sure to share it with them as well. All right, so let's continue and see how we can structure the lead magnet now that we know how to structure the Facebook post that's going to give it away. All right, so now we got Jarvis to create our Facebook post that is going to arouse that curiosity to get people to want to download our lead magnet. But now, how do we structure that lead magnet from the 5 tips that we saw Jairus post on her wall? It's very simple. You want to follow the very same formula of the PAS, which is the problem, agitate, solution, but you want to do it inside the lead magnet. So inside your lead magnet, instead of just putting the 5 tips, I would start with the problem and then end with the solution, which is going to be a call to action to go check out your business opportunity. And you're going to do that by sending them to your company's landing page. So now we already have like the meat and potatoes of that lead magnet with those 5 tips that Jairus created. What I would do is on the very top is establish the problem. Now, here's the thing. We want to connect with people that are like-minded, that they resonate with us, that ultimately not only are they going to benefit from what we are selling inside of our business opportunity, but that they could potentially also be business partners and build a team with you as well. So we want to make sure that we resonate with them. So how do we resonate with them inside of our lead magnet? Well, we start by sharing our story. What was your story that caused you to pick this business opportunity that you aligned yourself with that is helping people fix their credit. So maybe you were struggling with your own credit. Maybe you wanted to buy a house and you couldn't. Maybe you wanted to buy a car, but your credit was too low, and you went through a journey of finding those solutions to your problems. And so inside of the lead magnet, I would definitely start with like an opening paragraph that shares your story so that you can connect your story with that person, and that is going to increase the know, like, trust factor. Now, don't think that a lead magnet has to be this black and white boring text. Feel free to create an experience that connects with your reader so that they think in their mind, oh my gosh, yes, that's me. Oh my gosh, I am going through that. Oh my gosh, yeah, those sneaky companies, they messed with me too. So now they feel like an ally in this journey, and you can do that easily by sharing your story first as that problem. So when you structure your lead magnet, start with your story. Then you can transition into those 5 tips to show them how they can get on the fast track to start fixing their credit. And then finally, you want to do a strong call to action. The call to action is going to be, if you are anything like me and you want to raise your credit score so that you can purchase your next car or home and never get swindled by these companies again who are trying to hide this information from you, check out this link over here. You are going to end up on a website that's going to give you some tons of information that's going to help you outsmart the credit companies once and for all. So that is how you would close out the lead magnet. So you're going to start with the same exact format: problem, agitate, solution. What was a problem you were having? Start with your story. Then you can agitate it by showing them, look at what these credit companies are doing to you. And then what is the solution? Your call to action to get them to check out your company presentation. All right, so that is how I would convert this brilliant Facebook post into a lead magnet so that you can feel for who is interested on your friends list, then give them something of value that they're definitely going to want to give you their name and email for. And then you're going to help them solve their problems, which is going to make you look like a superhero in their eyes, because you did it all without being a pushy salesperson. So that is how you can convert your brilliant Facebook post into a lead magnet that people are happy to give you their name and email for, and how to start driving people into your assets, your funnels, your websites, so that you can start building your list, your business, and your brand. So here's my challenge to you today. Go down your Facebook feed and see if you've written anything lately that you can possibly convert into a lead magnet. I bet there are a bunch of little golden nuggets all inside your Facebook post that you can use to your advantage to start building your list to get more people to check out your company presentation. And then all you have to do is grab those little golden nugget sentences and little ideas, put them into Jasper copywriting software, and see what ideas it sparks into something of value that is going to help other people, but it's also going to generate high quality, like-minded leads for your business opportunity. Now, remember I told you how I was going to show you how to get access to my Lead Machine Masterclass. If you don't know how to build a landing page, you're not feeling confident about your brand, you want to be able to deliver your lead magnet, but you just don't know how, then right below this video, you will see a link to check out my Lead Machine Masterclass, where I will show you exactly how to build a high converting landing page so that you can give away your lead magnets and start building your list. Well, that's it for me today, guys and gals. I really, truly hope that this information helped you. If it did, please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to hit that notification bell if you want to be alerted the next time that I upload a video to my YouTube channel. So with that being said, this has been Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com. Make sure to check out the end cards for more videos that you can check out, and I will see you on another video. Bye.